YouTube, welcome back. Welcome to all my friends from Italy and Greece and the United States. Today we're going to introduce 8 downbeat hi-hat patterns or hi-hat rhythms from Joel Rothman's mini monster book of rock drumming. So this is part 2 of the little sequence we're going to put together for the hi-hat. And in the next video, we're going to put them together by doing the upbeat and downbeat patterns on the hi-hat with a groove. So for today's lesson, I just want to hit you with some downbeat patterns on the hi-hat only. And then next lesson, we'll put them all together. Let's get started. We're back, and today's lesson, like I said before, is 8 downbeat patterns on the hi-hat. This is part 2 in our hi-hat series. And so without any further ado, Travis, I'm watching you, man. Get them sticks. Let's go. All right, here we go. So let's get on with the first lesson. All right, guys. Greece, you ready? Italy, you ready? Here we go. The first hi-hat rhythm pattern is this. Pattern number 2 goes like this. Pattern 3, the downbeat of 2 on this one. Good. Guys, you're doing very, very well. Let's go. We're moving on to pattern 4 now. That pattern starts with the downbeat of 1. Okay, so 1 is when we're going to open up the hat. 1, 2, ready, play. pattern number 5 today. Pattern number 5 falls on 3 and 4. Downbeats 3 and 4. Here we go. All right, smash the like button for all 5 of those patterns. We still have 3 more to go. Let's get back into it. Here we go. Pattern number 6, the downbeat comes on beat 2 and beat 4. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, pattern number 7. Pattern number 7, the downbeat hits on 1 and beat 4. Again, beat 1 and beat 4. Here we go. One, two, ready, play. There you have it, guys. We have now completed 8 downbeat patterns for the hi-hat. 8 downbeat patterns for the hi-hat. Again, all of these patterns, guys, came from Joel Rothman's mini book of rock drumming that can be found at joelrothman.com. It's a great book to work on some of your hi-hat techniques or some of your groove patterns, especially for your rock grooves. Really good. Hey, guys, again, smash the like button for me. Hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell notifications so that you'll know when our videos come out. Thank you so much. I see you, my guys in Greece and Italy. thank you guys so much for helping me become international, so to speak. We're growing the channel, man. We're glad to have you guys here. Boss Music, thank you so much for joining and subscribing to the channel. But hey guys, that'll do it for now. Don't forget, we will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.